Okay, so now let's start modeling a little bit more in detail. We go to vertex. We need to make these lines like more uh, like curvy, so they follow like a pattern of some kind of organic um, curvature. I'm gonna work mainly in perspective, but you guys should also change these things. I'll change sometimes. I have this problem that I cannot see, so I cannot take advantage very much of this. But once you become a little faster, you will be able to work more in perspective. Okay, so I'm gonna move these points. So make a kind of a curve here. Some of these guys should be changed. Sometimes I should press 3 to check how's it going, and probably most of these need to make this curve more continuous. So we move some of the points. As you can see, they still have kind of a broken continuity, so we can do that and take them out sometimes. Okay, I'm not gonna bother too much about these guys since I think the face is more of the thing. This would be very easy for you guys to control, I believe. Okay, we can take this one up, this one a little bit up, probably this one take it down here, so it's also continuing. Nice, smooth, perfect. Let's go to vertex, take this one up. So this is getting better. Let's go to 1 and start playing with, oh, this one is way out. As you can see, we have to take it down. This one is going to be pretty much the eye that we want to work with, so probably this 2 should go down a little bit and out. So this shape, um, the nose, probably this is a good moment to go also to the side view and see actually where each of these points are in relationship to the side here. This is good. Probably this one should be around here. This is the nose, so we probably need to take it down and out. Probably even scale him. Sorry. Vertex. Select these guys and move them. Make sure they're actually fitting with the nose more accordingly. See, this is good. It's a problem I cannot see. You guys should be able to see this much better than I am. Just make sure that the points don't get on top of each other or anything. Let's go to perspective. Okay, let's fix this curvature, which is not very smooth, that's for sure. Probably all of these points actually should go here related to how the face is, and this one is the one that has to come out a little bit. There we go. Start getting there. That's right. Look at this. Press 3. Starting to get that noise feeling very nice. Probably this and this one's gonna go down and follow the pattern. Sorry, this should have been gone down and out a little bit. Good. Let's press 3. Probably this one's coming, so it's more like a straight flat thing, which this guy has. And select this, and we take it out. Vertex, select, take it up. With the video cam, everything goes a little bit slower, and it's kind of confusing. Anyway, this is gonna be our eye. We're gonna see in next tutorial, but let's do a little bit of the neck. So you see other options here. If we actually delete, select these 2 and extrude them down by pressing on the arrow, and you see they're actually not together, so I can for example, stir them again down and delete. I can delete also the middle parts, and they're kind of connected now. Now you can follow that pattern, which kind of fits very well, but not this. We can go to vertex again and start modeling this a little bit more relationship to how this is. Good. Probably this one should come a little bit out. Just need to be careful of that. As you can see, there's some kind of weird thing here going on, which is probably this vertex. We want to put it out, and this one pressing control here. And this is kind of a more funny thing. I would say that this is much more out than it seems. So it has this more of it could also be the neck that we have to move to the inside. And as you can see, there's this curve here, so we probably want to move these guys up to have that like curvature. Probably it was better to do all these changes in the elevation. Sorry for that, because I don't have the possibility of doing it correctly. But this is looking good. It's looking good, I think. We're gonna do afterwards. It's more of the eye, which is pretty much studying some faces here. Start working with them, and we'll see how easy it is actually to make an eye by just making an extrusion and pulling out. I think it has too much of a human face down here. Probably wanna play around differently some of the points. Changes the character radically as we change the points. It's really fun also to work with that. Probably now it's kind of too sharp here. So anyway, just play with the buttons until you get this more um, alien feeling. Okay. Probably I made that move too sharp, and probably okay. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it here and gonna do the eyes after in the next little tutorial around here.